Hello everyone, my name is Parth Khairnar and I am proud student of Department of Mechanical Engineering at SITRC Nashik. I am thrilled to share that I have been successfully placed at R Plast. This incredible milestone couldn't have been possible without the continuous support and the guidance of our some key peoples at our college. I want to take this opportunity to express heartfelt gratitude to our respected Head of Department Dr. Sachin Ganme sir for providing a strong foundation in academics and beyond. A big thank you to our principal Dr. Amol Podgantwar sir for fostering such a positive and resourceful learning environment at our college. Lastly but definitely not least, I extend my sincere thanks to our TPC coordinator and training and placement officer Professor Pankaj Shirsat sir in organizing training sessions and mock interviews and campus drive have been instrumental in shaping my career. Thank you once again to everyone at college for being part of my journey.